Haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Simple bone cyst and the fibroadenoma findings is what you're focusing on. So simple bone cyst, simple breast cyst and the fibroadenoma finding. So here in the first is the breast lesion. The simple breast cyst is a breast lesion. In the ultrasound, it shows a posterior acoustic enhancement. Posterior acoustic enhancement is seen. The diagnostic sonographic features of the simple breast cyst are the follows, such as it is oval, it is a round shape, it is oval, it is a round shape, it is anechoic, there is no internal echoes, it is circumscribed margins as well as the posterior acoustic enhancement. Next is we move on to the fibroadenoma. So here in fibroadenoma, it is usually presents as an echogenic lesion on the USG. It is wider than taller. It is wider than the taller. There is mammography. On mammography, it will show the popcorn calcification. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.